Bonjour and welcome. This is the place for creators and enthusiasts who love all things resin. Whether you are a seasoned resin artist, a curious beginner, or just appreciate the beauty of handcrafted art, you are in the right place. I am obsessed with resin. It's reignited my creative spark after a couple of decades in architecture. Now, I'm sharing my passion through this channel. Join me as I explore tutorials, resin techniques, and project showcases. You'll see how I work with epoxy resin, UV resin, and eco resin, shaping them using everything from traditional molds, jewelry bezels, to dynamic freeform methods. Peek into my creative process, the good, the bad, and the beautifully resinous. My designs are always theme-based, grounded in color theory and core design principles. I will reveal my tips, tricks, and even my epic fails. Because learning from mistakes is essential to building any skill. I am excited to share what I discover along this journey. And speaking of process, I am dedicated to using every drop. Look out for videos later this year where I'll share my tips for minimum waste resin crafting. By the way, Haute Résinution is a playful twist on high resolution resin and a shout out to Paris where I live. So, subscribe and join me to unlock resin secrets. Dive into our Resin Mania playlist, hit that notification bell. Let's make some magic together every week.